and today's video is another unboxing. Today what I got from Zara and Mango and John Lewis. Have you heard of John Lewis? John Lewis department. I got shoes and also I will unbox this. My husband ordered something from M&S. I really don't know what's inside, but I will unpack it for you guys. Just want to see you. And then have another one that I get from xxxx because they were on sale. So xxxx, and also I have another shoes that I got from my husband. So yes, so I will unbox my husband first. And this is Clarks, and it's cheaper to get Clarks here in UK. It's expensive in Hong Kong, so like nearly 30%, 30% more. And this shoes is great. He loves this one. So it was £86, so this must be 1,000 or 2,000 in Hong Kong dollars, and that will be maybe 160. I'm not sure, I will convert it, but it's 86, and this will be expensive, and I need to get for myself as well because it's cheaper to get it here when it comes like a UK brand like Clarks. Really smart shoes. And I get another one, but I use it as my tripod right now. So that's from Clarks. And another one I get for myself is from xxxx. It's cute weaving. I love the color. Pajama. I could use it like in the house. It's cute. This one as well. Yeah. I don't know, you guys, if you like to watch unboxing. I haven't shown unboxing. I keep doing a shopping. Anyway, here's what I got from Mango. They were currently 2 weeks ago. I got this 2 weeks ago. They were on sale. And that's jumpsuit. I know I love jumpsuit. Brown colored. They have beige, but they sold out. They don't have my size. I wanted to get that one, but I ended up getting this one because they have it on my size. My size is medium, and used to be £59.99. Now it's £39.99. Shoes. This is for myself. I got it from John Lewis. They're not on sale, but I wanted to add this type of style of sandal, and just a simple wedge, something like this. And what I like is this one is suede, and I don't like the material one, the canvas one, or how do you call that? It's really it's really rough, and you will get how you call it, blisters on your skin. It's like keep rubbing your skin. So that's why I get this one, because it's really soft. So it's just simple. That's perfect to wear in the summer, or wear in Hong Kong. You know, we're still in summer until December, so that's why I get this one. You can as well wear it in winter. Yeah, because I don't have one. I like this one. So yeah, and that was £69 from John Lewis. Not bad, not bad. Anyway, the brand of this is John Lewis, and I was surprised I saw it's made in Italy. And this one I got from Zara jumpsuit. It was on sale, and it was £29, and then £30. They discounted it to £22.99, and then they discounted it to £12.99. Not bad. Perfect for summer in Hong Kong. So this is perfect for in the house or running around. And then another cute one I got from Zara is this one. It's so cute. So if I look at this, I don't think I can wear it, but when I try it on, it looks good. It looks good because it got a hole in there, but you can wear something underneath, and it has like a bow on the back part, zipper, and it's really nice material as well. So soft and smooth and cool and perfect for summer. And this will be perfect for my sandal. This sandal perfect for holiday, you know, if you're planning to, if I'm planning to go on holiday, go back and visit my family in the Philippines. Perfect for Philippines weather because we got really warm over there. And here you can probably, like now it's nice weather here. It's not too cold, it's just nice. You can wear just a jacket, light jacket, or a jeans. So I can wear it with jeans or this one, or white sneakers, which is the fashion here. Everyone's wearing white sneakers, so with dresses, something like that. That's the fashion. And this one, this is a new collection. I like it. It's so summery. Love the print there. I don't like too bright color. This one is just perfect, soft for the eye. Just, you know, just nice. And I got that long sleeve thing that you can put it on top. Just cute. I love it. And this will be perfect. That's the reason why I got this sandal, because it will be perfect for this one. You know, that's why I got that sandal. Anyway, and another one. This one is under a new collection, and this cute with the really elegant embroidered dress. Just simple, nice. I love it. So cutie. That's like a elasticated waistline with golden button over there, and it's cute. See? Yeah, it's beautiful and I love it, and it's so soft and smooth. It's just nice and perfect for summer. What do you think? Let's open it. Where is my scissor? What did he got? Ooh. What did my husband got from M&S? He got a trouser. I think it's a work trouser. M&S. I hope he's watching. This is what you got. You order online. It's great that it comes with hanger. Trouser. I don't need to open it. And then we have a polo shirt from M&S as well. Oh, 2 colors. Really smart. See that? Really smart. And that was 36 pounds for 2. Wow, great. 36 pounds. Long sleeve. It's the reason why he ordered it here, because it's a lot cheaper to buy it in UK. M&S brand, Clarks, even Louis Vuitton handbag. Jesus, it's a lot cheaper here than getting in Hong Kong. Longchamp, it's a lot cheaper to get it here. That's why I might get more. Because in Hong Kong it's really expensive. And here's another one. He loves this. I like this one. Nice color. So that's pretty much what you get in M&S. 36 pounds. This too will be 1,000 Hong Kong dollars. You know, here it's only 336. I'm not sure, but I think yes. I'm not sure how much, but it could be double price in Hong Kong. That's why he bought it here. Another Clarks shoe. Yeah, this one is really cute and I love it. So elegant. You can wear it with any, you can fit it with any, you know, at least he got brown, dark brown and black. This is great for work, and it's comfy shoes. Clarks are always comfy shoes. And if you get this in Hong Kong, this will mean maybe around 1,000 something Hong Kong dollars. So that's it. Much for now. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.